Oh my goodness, look at this walnut tree, guys. Holy cow, some of them are over 100 feet up for sure. Wow, I don't want to get clunked on the head with one of them. Okay, how you guys doing? Let's see, I got an empty bucket and we're walking up my driveway. Today we're gonna do a quick little video on how I collect walnuts and dehusk them. So, and I'll show you the way I have been doing it for a few years. And then I'll also show you a new way we're gonna try. I got a really funny idea. Oh gosh. Hey, walnuts. Hey, cool. That was easy. There we go. All right, are we done? We got two. Okay, I probably shouldn't pick them before they fall off the tree, but holy cow, this tree's got a bunch. Okay, well, let's get a bigger, well, we're gonna get a couple buckets and a bigger container to fill up because we gotta get a bunch. Here's some too. The ones we actually want are the ones that are starting to turn like black or like this. Because look at how easy the husk comes off a lot easier, see? But it's a very messy and time-consuming process to take them out of the husks unless you motorize it somehow. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna motorize and dehusk our nuts. All right, let's go get a bigger container to fill up. Here we go, guys. 70 gallon, we got a 70-gallon bin. Ooh, yeah, that's perfect. Here, let's put it so the drain hole is tilted down a little bit. Oh my goodness, guys, come on now. Look, who needs paper towel? Now I lost my nuts. Where's my nuts? What the? Oh, here's some nuts. Oof. Ooh, there's bugs on them. Yuck. Is this my nuts? No. There we go. I found the nuts. Okay. We got two nuts. Okay, how many nuts do you think it will take to fill this up? Probably a pretty lot. Well, let's just go get some. I'm gonna try to get some that are more, rotten's not the word, but ripe. Where they're starting to turn brown or black. It's a lot easier to dehusk them, and the nuts inside are perfectly fine and viable for growing. Okay, I'll be back. All right. Wow, look at all these guys. Oh my God, goodness. Holy cow, look at how many are still on there. My driveway's right up there, but I pulled my car down here so we wouldn't have to carry him so far. So here we go. And these are pretty good. They're starting to get soft. We're in a drought, so I hope these are, yeah, I don't want the ones that are completely dried out because they might not be any viable to grow. There we go, guys. Some just fell. Holy cow, there's a lot. Wow, they like timed out perfectly. Okay, look, side character Tom's here. Look what he has in his hand. Should he have one? Should he be allowed to use that? Uh-oh, we're gonna break the space-time continuum. Okay, check it out, Tom. We got walnuts. So I'm gonna show the viewers how I used to do walnuts. So I use this is a big paint stirrer, right? Or like drywall putty or something?
Something.
So yeah, this must be like a paint stirrer for like 5-gallon buckets of liquids. Okay. The reason it has these on here is for a different reason that we'll talk about in a different video. But anyway, you can use this to get the husks off of your walnuts as long as they're kind of partially kind of rotty like that. These ones are a little like fresher, basically. They haven't really started rotting much, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a first time ever test with these two buckets in this. We got a cement mixer. Oh my goodness. This is an electric cement mixer. I got this for $100 from a buddy. It was never used. This was still wrapped up in bubble wrap. So they put it together wrong. So I had to put it together right. And now it's, should we try it? Tom put one nut in there. Okay, let's stop it. And surprising enough, it actually rolled out of its shell. But it was like partly broken open. So we're hoping just by tumbling them, they'll eventually break out of their shells, you know? Otherwise, if we have to, I have a couple rocks, or am I gonna ruin this, guys? I don't know, we'll think about it. So let's go down here and I'll show you how I used to do it or how it works with the drill. And I got a screen here. This is my really nice rocker sifter for artifacts. But we're gonna use it to screen the walnuts, so. All right, Tom, have you watched me do this before?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, Tom has seen me do this. You just add some water.
It's the old-fashioned way.
With the drill?
Yeah.
I think I came up with this idea. But I am old-fashioned. Okay, ready? We gotta get her down in there. Uh-oh, yeah, it might be messy. Oh yeah, I think we need more water. It's been a while since I did this. And I forgot it's really messy. Okay, let's get it in there. There we go. Wow, look at how dark that is, Tom. Oh, you know what? I think I used to put a cover on it, didn't I? See, I'm starting to remember stuff. Okay, hold on. Look, I think this is how I used to do it. Doesn't that make more sense, Tom?
Yeah, it does.
There we go, guys. It's all coming back to me. What do you think? Are they done? Let's check on them. Ooh, they look good. And if they're not completely done, that's okay. All right, let's dump them into the screen. Are you ready? I wonder if it would probably be better if I had a bigger screen, but you know. Look at Tom. Here, come look. Look at that. See, it probably helped to have like, you know, bigger size screen in it. I've never used this with them, but see, look, it took, I'd say, what, 90% of them out? But yeah, the sludge doesn't go through this screen very good. Oh my gosh, I just remembered this, guys. This is what I used when I was screening them. So not this. See, this has way too fine a mesh.
GoPro, start recording.
Okay, here, I'm gonna dump these in. Okay, let's see if this works a lot better. Okay, now we can spray them off, Tom. Can your viewers see anything, Tom?
No, that's not.
You only have blind viewers?
No, my viewers, they fell asleep there already.
Because of your narration?
No, I wasn't narrating. You were narrating.
Oh, look at this, guys. Beautiful. So yeah, that worked great, didn't it?
What about that green one there?
That one you get to bring home. All right, it's time. So obviously you can see with the drill, it's a little bit of a task. But if this mixer works, we are in business. The only problem is these are not as rotten, so it would help if they were older and riper, you know.
Turn it on.
I'm gonna add both. I'm not messing around here, Tom. I'll just let it run for like a week. I mean, how about 45 minutes? Will I ruin the motor?
You gotta plug it in, too.
It's plugged in. Here we go. Are they gonna fall out? Yeah!
Ooh.
Not doing anything.
What is it?
Not yet. Okay, should we try go get a couple rocks?
Well,
hey, why not, huh? All right, I think they're both working, right? Okay, look, it wasn't really doing anything. So here, let's see if we can ruin my cement mixer. Here we go, Tom. Yeah. Oh, you know what we should do? Let's add some water. Okay, so we tumbled it for a little bit, or for what? Probably 7 or 8 minutes. And it's not really doing much. There's some of them are out, but I think these ones were not rotty enough, you know, not ripe enough. So I'm just gonna let these sit for probably 4 or 5 days in here, and then we're gonna tumble them again. And I think if they're like, you know, ripe and rotten enough, the husk, I mean, it probably won't even need the rocks, but we do have 3 big rocks in there. So far, it doesn't work very good. But we'll check back in a couple days. Okay, is that beautiful, guys? All right, it's been like 3 days, and they're definitely rotty. And I ran this a little bit just now, but I took the rocks out because I just didn't like the idea of taking all the paint off the metal. It'll probably rust out really bad. So I don't want the rocks in there. Maybe that was not a good idea. So let me just get this going. I'm going to step back because I got a nice clean shirt on for once. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, step back, guys. Come on. Okay, I'm going to let it run for probably 5 or 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, let's turn this thing off. Don't do this in your living room. We made an ever so slight mess. Holy cow, I think it actually started working. I was about to say it doesn't work very good. Uh-oh, I shouldn't have got my handle covered. Wear gloves if you're worried about staining your hands. But here, let's just bring this over. All we can do, let's dump them out and see what we got. Wow, actually, I think it started working. I left it for like 10 minutes. Oops. There we go. Here, can I spray them out of there or what? Holy cow, I think it worked, guys. Wow. Okay, spray them out. Okay, I'll rinse that out later. Whoa! Did this actually work? Here, let's spread them out. Wow. Let's see how many it actually took out. Like I said, don't do this in your living room. You'll get yourself in trouble. Wow, it took a lot of them out, actually. Wow, holy cow. Dude, this is actually fantastic. I'd say we got 98%. There's only like 4 or 5. Wow. I was actually prepared to say, don't bother with the cement mixer, but I take it back. Awesome. So the trick is with the cement mixer, you just have to let them get real soft, like the husks, you know, sit in the water. So see, these ones must have been too tough and green still. But wow, that worked really good. Because it's kind of annoying using the drill, but the drill works really good too. But like I said, everything's very messy, so do this outside where you won't, and don't wear good clothes either. So, oh man, I'm pretty happy with the outcome of this. So I'm definitely gonna do more in the mixer. These are great. All right, guys, well, that's how I'm taking my hulls off the walnuts this year. Hopefully that gave you a couple options and ideas of how you wanna do it. So hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.